When you give part of your income to God, you enter places people enter and die, and you will survive it. You come from a family whereby everybody is suffering, but you don't suffer. There's some grace on you. There's some mercy on you. Where people enter and they don't get job, you get and get job. So it's very, very important. Taking something to God is very, very important. Another thing is you feel good. Another thing is you have control over money. Anytime you give money out to somebody, it positions you to be like a master to money. You are either a master to money or you are a slave to money. Money either work for you or you work for money. At the beginning, we all work for money, but at a particular point, money have to work for you. Don't be a slave of money. When you are always a slave of money, you lose your family. You don't have time for your family. You lose your health. Money is a bad master, but it's a good slave. Everybody begins by working for money. I'm working for money, but at a particular point, you have to make your money work for you. Now, the only way to do that is to control your desires on your knees. Most of my colleagues, we started working for money. I'm happy to say that where I am right now, 30% of my money is working for me. It will get to a point 70% will still be working for me. My aim is to make money my slave. That is my goal. I don't intend working for money for the rest of my life. No, then I will not have time for my children. I don't have time for my spouse. I don't have time to pursue my passion, my calling. So I need to learn how to make money work for me. The issue is that my colleagues, when we go to work for money and we get paid, they spend all the money on their desires. I spend part of my money to God. Some grow my net worth, some my assets, some my needs, some my debt, some my desires. So if I'm doing that every month for 6 years, I'll have something. Then that thing, I'll take advantage of opportunities. The issue is that when they work and get money, they spend it on their knees. So the money is finished. They work again, get money, spend it on their knees. The money is finished. Work, get money, spend on knees, finish. Work, get money, spend it on knees, finish. Work. When do you think they will stop working for money? So that is why somebody is still 60 years, is still working for money. Because he doesn't know that his needs are always more than the money he earned. So that was why yesterday I was telling you, I have a friend who told me that the 400 I'm receiving is not enough. So I asked him, there was a time you used not to earn nothing. Hey, you were living okay. Now you start earning 400, you said it's not. How much is enough? So fortunately, we went for a seminar. And that beautiful seminar, the same issue came up, and the man brought 4 people. One person was earning 400, the second person was earning 800, the other was earning 1,600, and the other was earning 3,200 plus. Then he asked the one with 400, is it enough? That no, it's not enough. I wish I can get double of that. Double of 400 is what? So he asked the one with 800, is it enough? That, to be honest with you, it's not enough. But my family and things, to be frank, 800 is not enough. So he said, I wish I can get double of that. Double of 800 is how much? 1,600. So he asked the one with 1,600, is it enough? He said, that is not enough. So what do you mean it's not enough? That is where my needs, my utility, my things, no, 1,600 is not enough. I wish I can get double of that. Double of 1,600 is how much? 3,000 plus. So he asked the one with 3,000 plus, is it enough? No. My dependents, my needs, no, it's not enough. I can tell you MPs that take 7,000. Ask them, they'll tell you it's not enough. President will tell you it's not enough. Let me tell you how much is enough. Don't be ungrateful. You see, you are just being ungrateful. There was a time you were earning nothing. And God said, if you are grateful, I'll bless you with more. You don't have to have a negative attitude with the little you have. Then it will prevent you from having much. If I give you 10 cedi and you appreciate it, if I get 100 cedi, won't I give it to you? You don't start by giving people with much money. You have to trust them with little to see their attitude. There was a time you were earning nothing. I mean, absolutely nothing. You didn't even know your left and right. You were okay. Today you start earning something, you have some attitude. You are being ungrateful. And when you are ungrateful, if you are not careful, it will prevent you from, it will block your way from getting a lot. What is enough anyway? You need to have control over your desires. When you are grateful, you get more. It's very, very important. Another